Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. Okay, if this is around Christmas time, so Merry Christmas to everybody. But also, most likely it's cold wherever you are, and so I'm trying to figure out, like, you know that song, when it's cold outside, who are you holding? You'll be holding me. Well. All right, y'all old heads, let me know. Young heads, if y'all know that one. So my question is, do y'all like the old school version of it, or you like the Jodeci version of it? Okay, which is also old school. Okay, they both old school now, but just let me know if y'all got a comment about that. But if not, let's go with Clarence. This is Clarence NYC's trip to Miami with the guys trip. We're gonna see what they was doing, because you know the ladies always have questions. Like, you know, when we go out, we already know what we doing, right? So we going to the spa, we getting our nails done, we going shopping or something. But you know, for the ladies who be wondering like what goes on the guys trip, Claire was kind enough to bring us with him to Miami. So happy belated to Kai. It's tonight, all right. And thanks, Claire, for bringing us along. Let's get into it.
Who is it? Ote. Welcome to the Miami crib, gang. Pull up.
Hey, Claire. All right. I feel like one of the guys. Let's see what we into.
Alright, y'all. So today is the day after. We already went out, had a great night. You know what I'm saying? For my boy Kyle's birthday. But, bro, my pictures from last night got encrypted, you know what I'm saying, because of Mike. It's all Mike's fault, so just blame Mike in the comment section. So I put that shit on again. It's morning time, you know what I'm saying? It's not the same day, but I put that shit on again so we can get our flicks, you know what I'm saying? So if you see these flicks on the gram, go like them shit, show them love. Alright, y'all, we about to go in the mall, do a little bit of shopping, you know what I'm saying? We might find a little something. Today we got the camera out.
I spent over in your car.
Alright, so see? They doing like us, ladies. They going shopping. All right. So guys on the guys trip, they go shopping. Got it.
I don't know what you shopping for, see?
Bro, I ain't shopping for nothing. I didn't spend enough on it already. You know what I'm saying? But nigga said I might get an original.
You said you was gonna get a original?
Did I say that? You said you was gonna get a bust out. Let's go get it.
He put them on blast. I see that happen with the ladies too, huh? Put everybody on blast. See what's going on. He's like, what you fronting for, girl? He said, where your bust down at?
Let's go.
It would be clear if we didn't see the shorts, the sexy daddy shorts, zaddy shorts.
My boy just landed, you know what I'm saying? So me and Deshae, we got this crib together.
Yeah.
Hey, Deshae.
You know what I'm saying? So, but there's only one master. There's only one master. I'm about to show you that. Come on. There's only one.
Yeah, pool table.
There's a pool table down there?
This is the nicest one.
Yeah, this is, alright, so this is the nicest room. So what we about to do is just play rock, paper, scissors. Okay, what you want to do?
2 out of 3.
Basically, alright.
It's only fair.
Alright, but how you play? Rock,
1,
paper,
2, 3,
scissors,
shoot.
say shoot?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
shoot? Say shoot.
1, 2. Wait, what's say shoot?
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
No. Rock. What the fuck is that, nigga?
That's what I always wonder. That must be a New York thing. You know, I'm with you, Deshae. Like, why we gotta say shoot? It's like we styling. Like, it's an extra step between us just shooting. Like, what is that? But he got Queen doing it now, so I guess the say shoot's official.
Alright, go.
Old as hell. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright,
Ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. See, I'm getting.
No! He needs to admit it. No, you gotta play.
I said say shoot.
No!
Alright, come on.
No! Cheater!
Bro,
You're a cheater, bro.
I'm just from New York.
You're a
I'm sorry.
cheater, bro.
Bro, what do I play? I say shoot, right?
That's a
All I know is I'm getting the third
What you
best
play?
room.
No.
I'm getting the third best room. I don't
What you
care.
play?
I ain't even put
Say
in.
shoot?
Rock, paper,
that,
scissors, shoot.
you know
Say
I
shoot,
want that one.
look.
Hey, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
Scissors, alright.
Rock, paper, scissors,
That's
shoot.
my one.
Bro, I don't think that should count.
What?
I really don't.
Bro, if you beat me,
Because I didn't really put it out.
You beat me with that.
You think it's any better?
I swear, bro, because I might lose it. All right. 1, 2, 3, shoot. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. See, I would have won!
Let's do it, Deshae.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, shoot. No! Yes! No! Whoa! Look at that. You faked it, bro.
No.
You faked it.
No, I just went too fast. But I do owe you one.
I catched that.
I do owe you one. So let's go. This is the last one.
Bro.
Right?
No, we need to figure out. We need to do this. This is what we're gonna do.
What we gonna do?
Because you are that.
Yeah, I can't. No, I can't.
So this is what we're gonna do. Turn around. We're gonna go back to back. And we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3.
And then just put one up.
Turn around.
Alright, bet.
But you gotta make sure our shit stays the same.
Gotcha. Are we both counting?
Yeah, we say. So it'll be like rock, paper, scissors, shoes. Throw your shit. 1, 2, 3, turn around.
Alright.
Let me see. No mirror reflection. Alright. Make sure he keeps his shit. Make sure I keep my shit.
Hell yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Turn around. Yeah!
Fair.
Yes!
Fair.
Bro!
Fair.
Bro, I was gonna cry, bro.
I want you to say, I'm such a sore loser. I am such a sore loser. You see that? It feels like 19 times to leave one. I'm with you to say. I love Claire. I know this is video, but, you know, for sore losers out there, we gotta stick together sometimes. Like, I can't not win. I don't want to play. I'm upset all day. Deshae was gonna be salty the whole trip if he lost. Like, he had to win. And Claire, sweetheart, because he know he won like 4 times before he let Deshae win once.
That's pretty fair. Alright, y'all. So since I lost, let me take you out of my room. Come on. See, his shit was much bigger. He got the little living room over there and shit. But I still got a bathroom, you see. My own bathroom, so I don't gotta worry about the shower and shit. We fucking lost. But we about to get ready for this dinner. When I come back, I'm gonna be fleet. I'm gonna be fresh. We'll be right back. Who is it? Ote. Welcome to the Miami crib, gang. Pull up. So this is the Miami crib. As y'all can see, as you already know from the last clip, you know what I'm saying, I lost out on the master suite, but this is the crib, man. Welcome to the crib. First room right here, that's security room. You know what I'm saying? So if anybody come in here, you gotta go through him. You know what I'm saying? That's first of all. Then we got the dining table we probably never gonna use. You know what I'm saying? We could be eating here, but we don't. I'm not gonna lie, I fell asleep on my food. We eating over there. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Kai got the chef over there, so I figured I saved my coins since he already got the chef over there. He's like 3 houses down, so I'm gonna just go over there and eat. You know what I'm saying? So we probably won't be using this. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all come follow me. Shit, I haven't used this. This is a bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Y'all could go in there. Y'all go in there and check that out. Little bathroom. You know what I'm saying? We barely even been here. I've only slept here. Living room, vibe, you know what I'm saying? Chill out. Oh shit. Damn. Oh, no. Nigga, I almost fucking died. But yeah, the vibe, chill. You know what I'm saying? Look at this little view. Come. Look at this little view. They don't got this in Atlanta. They don't got this shit in Atlanta, Mike. Y'all don't got this in Atlanta. Look at that shit. We gonna head out there soon, but
I can get used to this. I can get used to this.
Yo.
That's very nice. I need a little boat out there. Okay. Give me a yacht party, Claire. What's up?
This shit is wild right here. This is like a restaurant section. Like, I've never seen a booth in a crib. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if y'all ever seen one, but I
have, but I need one. I really do. That'd be fly. I like that.
I seen a booth. Like, these the shit.
Especially with the picture window out looking the lake.
It's in a restaurant. Like, just chill. Like, so what's the dining table for, Mike?
Shit.
What's the dining table? I don't know what this for.
I haven't even been in the kitchen.
This is my first time in the kitchen. Nice kitchen. This refrigerator is for me.
Nah, this shit crazy.
What's in the fridge? Let's shit come. I'll show y'all what we're working with.
Ain't shit in there.
Ain't shit. Ain't shit. Like I said, my nigga Kai got the chef. You know what I'm saying? Alright, a little fresh squeezed orange juice. Hold
Random TV place is right here, you know what I'm saying? About 16 TVs in here, so.
That's probably for the cameras and shit. You know what I'm saying? Little cameras, security, just keep it tight. Where we should go first? But I have never been downstairs. You been downstairs? Should I do that?
I don't even know what's down there.
I don't know what's down there either. Alright, we about to head down there. Let's see. What the fuck?
Started in the basement out here. That's a nice basement.
Okay. Alright, it's like a little office, I guess. I don't even know what the fuck is. I haven't seen that. And the pool table. That's what you call a fucking pool table, bro? Bro, that's not a pool table.
But that's a mini ass pool table, bro. What the hell?
Who's playing on this? 6-year-olds? This is a 6-year-old pool table. Like, bro, look at this shit. Nah. Nigga, I can't believe y'all called this a pool table. But we got another TV. This is good vibes, though. This is good vibes. Like, definitely a good Airbnb stay. For sure.
What the fuck is this?
That's Narnia.
Huh?
Narnia. Bro, be careful when you just open this shit, because you don't even...
That might be something there.
Oh, I got it.
Might be something there. Oh. What the?
Alright, so first of all, we're gonna close this because there's a lamp the shape of a crab. I'm allergic to shellfish.
Okay.
So, I'm allergic to shellfish, so let's go outside. Should I go? I'm gonna go upstairs first. Let's go upstairs. Let's finish outside. Let's go upstairs. This is where all the bedrooms is at right here. Alright.
See, Claire got a point though. You don't want to look through every closet, every crawl space. You might find something you don't want to be witness to.
As y'all already know, this is the master bedroom that I lost out on fucking with the shade. The shade lucky ass. He just left, but I'll show y'all. This is his vibe right here. Damn, it's mad dark. He got a little patio. Get the view. You go out there with him. I go out there with y'all too. Fuck it. You got the little view. I'm saying I also got a patio in my room, but I don't know how to open it. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta come in here. You got the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? So this is the master. Come up here, got 3 more joints.
Oh yeah.
This midnight room.
Oh yeah, P got me living real right
Mike room right here.
P got me living real
Mike
good.
the type of nigga to really unpack though.
Yeah, fast.
Really unpack.
I gotta see the drip laid out, you know what I'm saying?
Bathroom.
Yeah, P got me living real good in here. P got me living real good, man. I ain't gonna cap.
I can get used to this. This is Phantom Bigger Valley room. You already know my boy Phantom in there. Caught my boy on the sofa. I had to get him right. And this is my room. You know what I'm saying? This is the other little suite. Shit fake trash, but it's alright. The shade one fair and square. This is what I was talking about. I can't even open this bitch, bro. Look. I don't even know what that is. Shit is fucking. So I don't got a vibe. You know what I mean? My vibe is off. I got a little bathroom. Calm. Very calm. I don't need too much.
It's nice. Did you try both the locks, Claire? Mike, you gotta help him with the locks, bro.
Saying we literally just sleeping here. We're not doing nothing else. But I'm about to take it outside. I think the outside is the best part of the house. So we about to go out there and really catch the vibes. Let's catch the Miami vibes, Mike.
Okay, cool.
We're in Miami.
We're in Miami. We on jet skis. We might go on jet skis tomorrow too. Just
Tomorrow is pool. Tomorrow is yachts and jet skis for sure.
Yachts and jet skis.
Yeah, yachts and jet skis. And it's the outside. People live like this. You know what I'm saying? We're Airbnb, but some of these people really live like this. Y'all just get that. Whoa. This shit is like,
Oh my God.
I'm the type type to sleep on the balcony or out there on them chairs. Like, I just love that. The sunset, sunrises, the lake, the boats. That's all me. I'm with y'all.
I'm never leaving. What's that? That's Kai, right? That's Kai meme, right? I'm never leaving. But yeah, you got the hot tub. Small hot tub. We probably not gonna even use this. I thought it was heated pool. It's not. Shit is freezing, so I'm definitely not getting in that, but this is the vibe though. Ote, they screaming YouTube over there. YouTube! YouTube! Ote. That's love. But facts, bro. Imagine really having a crib and you go to your backyard, right? And like you just don't feel like driving, right? You don't feel like driving today. You like, fuck it. Let's just take the fucking boat. Like, imagine just taking your fucking boat wherever the fuck you want. Shit is a vibe. Right on the water, too. Shit was not cheap either. I'm not gonna lie. That's why we doing these videos. That's why we doing these videos, because this shit was not cheap, gang.
Keep it 100, baby.
That's the crib, Mo. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you comment. Let me know what you think of the crib. You know what I'm saying? Could we have done better? You know what I'm saying? Do you guys like this? Do you guys even like me? You know what I'm saying? Doing these type of videos. You know what I'm saying? So let me know. Leave that in the comment section. I love y'all. Stay tuned.
All right, thank you. I liked it. Y'all like it, comment, subscribe, share. If you care, click the bell and become part of the Noodle Squad.